Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I did this quick and easy candy cane eyeliner look for you guys. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so to get this a simple candy cane eyeliner look, all we're going to need is some white eyeliner for the first step. This is the Blank Slate liquid liner by Morphe. Ooh, it's upside down. First step we're going to do is create a winged liner. So I'm going to go on the side of my brush and start creating that wing. And this will get on your lashes, it's okay. For this liner look, we do need this to be a little thick so we can create the little red strokes, red candy cane marks. And then from the outer corner, I'm going to bring this out. And just taking it out like a normal wing. And then going back in. Dipping back into the white. And filling this blank space in. I'm just trying to make this as opaque as possible. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my Makeup by Mario Master Matte Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Super Black. It's this, and it has a felt tip. So what we're going to do is outline the white to make it appear a little bit more bolder. And you do want to go a little slow because you are outlining the white. Next, I'm going to use my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. This is also a liquid version, and this is the colored Vivid Fire. So with this, you do want to start off going in a slant with a brush and making a line going up. Stopping at the black. And if you guys do mess up and you end up touching the black, you can always go in with your black eyeliner and fixing that. Now I'm going to go back in with my black liner and fix up anything I did wrong. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm going to coat my top and bottom lashes. Now I already did apply some glue on my eyelashes, but this are the lashes I'm using right now. This is the Ardell Black 1/13. They're so pretty wispy and it doesn't overwhelm my eye too much. I'm gonna line the top portion of my lid so I can hide that lash band. Just a thin line. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lash. I like squeezing my natural lashes with my falsies just because it gives it that seamless look. I also did notice, this is a little trick, I do have a bit of mascara smudged right here, so now that's dried off, I'm going to go ahead with my Q-tip and wipe that off. This is a dry Q-tip too. You see? And it just erased that mistake. And this is how the eyeliner looks. Alright guys, and this completes this quick and easy Christmas glam. If you guys are looking into doing something a little different, a little bit more festive this year, this is the perfect route. And it's super easy. You only need like 3 products and they're super inexpensive. You definitely can switch up the Mario liner with a NYX liquid liner in the shade black. It's perfectly fine, still works as good. And I am a big fan of NYX, especially their liners. And this is my first time using the Morphe eyeliner. This is in the shade Blank Slate. You do have to build up the opacity of this white, but other than that, it worked perfectly fine. That's the only downfall. You just have to keep building it. The red of the NYX, of course, I've used this in another tutorial way back. I don't remember when I did it, but it works just as good, and it worked really amazing with this look. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas. Please be safe and enjoy your holidays. And please don't forget to like this video, comment below, and make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.